The Gulfood exhibition here in Dubai started again quite well on the first day. There is a very high interest of customers and partners all around the area of Middle and Near East, but especially also high interest on the region out of Africa. And we also face a lot of customers coming out of the Asia-Pacific region. Krones can provide the right solutions with our huge portfolio along the complete value chain, from processing and in the meantime also with recycling solutions. So we have the right solutions for our customers, we have the right topics, we can do the right support for our customers, and we have very interesting discussions here on our booth. So we hope that the interest stays as high as it is on the first day, and we are quite confident on this, and we expect that we can find the right solution for our customers, and for sure that we also have a good success in all different fields here in Dubai.